Hey guys, what's up? Danny here, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a very important update on crypto. So as of today, Bitcoin has surpassed 52K, right? So it's going to continue to go up, right? I don't think it shows it on this chart, but Bitcoin on Robinhood did go above 52K, which was a very crucial level of resistance, right? I'm pretty sure right here it went up to 51,507. And basically today it made a new high since December 4th basically. And that's very important because as you could tell, this pattern is looking very familiar to this one most familiar to this one, I would say, right? When Bitcoin started going up very slowly, right? And I feel like that's what's going to happen. I feel like that's what's going to give the confirmation of Bitcoin, having all-time highs March to June 2022, right? Because with lengthening cycles, right, Bitcoin is going to go up slowly. And right now, I feel like some people are seeing Bitcoin go up slowly and they're like, oh, this is just like a fake out, it's a bull trap or whatever. In reality, you could really see it as a bear trap, but, we're going to be seeing very steady price action. And I feel like we could just blow the roof off, right, off of Bitcoin at 69K. We could go up to 100 to 200K. So, we're seeing new highs, which is very good. And, my price target potentially for today, I feel like we're going to see 53K at least for today. And, yeah. So the global market cap is 2.44 trillion, a 2.77 increase over the last day. Current price of Bitcoin 51,789.70, up by 3.05% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum is at 4,114.67, up by 1.07%. Binance Coin is at 567.04, up by 3.64%. Solana is at 203.09, up by 2.53%. Cardano is at 1.55, up by 6.32%. XRP is at 94.82 cents, up by 2.94%. Terra is at 93.81, down by 5.10%, and that's because it's been seeing a very extreme rally, and I feel like some people were getting kind of bullish. Some people bought it at 100, and now it's going down a little bit. Introducing more fear for all the paper holders. Polkadot is at 32.45, up by 4.55%. Avalanche is at 119.57, up by 3.10%. Dogecoin is at 19.18 cents, up by 0.95%. Shiba Inu is at 39.15, up by 1.96%. So, yeah, guys, I mean, I feel like for most cryptos, we're going to be seeing blue skies. Polygon is at 2.80, up by 0.49%. Crypto.com coin is at 64.64 cents, up by 2.82% in the past 24 hours. So if we take a look at Dogecoin, Elon Musk has been promoting it on Twitter, and I feel like because of him promoting it, this next bull run for Doge could be insane. Some people, I think I was listening to this one analyst. He was saying, "Oh yeah, Dogecoin's only going to go up to like 30 cents or something," but I don't think that's true because of the amount that Elon Musk has been promoting it, and the amount of confidence in Dogecoin right now is very high. So, I'm going to expect it, to continue to go up, and, 1 to 2. I feel like $2 is very possible in this, up and coming crypto cycle. We just have to wait some time, and that's about it, right? Altcoins are kind of delayed after Bitcoin, so we could potentially wait for a couple more months for Dogecoin to make the next move to go absolutely parabolic. And right now, for the next couple weeks, I feel like maybe there's going to be steady price action, although there could be a massive price pump. But I feel like we still have to wait some time, right? Crypto is going to be acting very unexpectedly. And yeah, so March to June 2022, that's about when, um, we're going to see the peak of Bitcoin. And about that time, that's when we're going to also see the peak of all these altcoins. So yeah, guys, that's basically what I'm expecting for the upcoming crypto cycle. We got biggest gainers, Scar token, Kick token, all sports. You know, all these cryptos, very very minor cryptos, up by 628.06%. Trending, gaming, Shiba, Ever, BNB, Baby Floki, Billionaire. All of these Shiba Inu knockoffs, they're trending yet again. And guys, if you wanted to know how to you know, buy these minor cryptos, well, you know, first of all, you know, most of these minor tokens, they're on the Binance Smart Chain, right? So that's why Binance is currently on in third place, you know, behind Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I'm pretty sure it's very very easy for people to make cryptos on the Binance chain. So basically, guys, what you need is MetaMask and a Uniswap interface. So basically, for MetaMask, what you have to download that, you know, create your own wallet, put some Ethereum or some Binance on it, and then you use Uniswap, right, to buy all of these minor tokens through Binance. You know, there are some minor, very small tokens that are on the Ethereum blockchain, but the Binance blockchain, I'm pretty sure it's definitely much more popular right now than the Ethereum blockchain when it comes to people making new cryptos. So, yeah, guys, you know, MetaMask and uh, Uniswap. I'm pretty sure the gas fees are very, very high when you're buying these small cryptos. So, you know, keep that in mind. If you're going to put money in some of these small cryptos, you know, the gas fees, I'm pretty sure it doesn't even matter how much money you put in. It even from ranging from $1 all the way to $1 million. I'm pretty sure the gas fees stay the same. Right now, I'm pretty sure they're around $30. Well, that's from the Ethereum blockchain. So, you know, every time you know, exchange Binance for one of these minor cryptos, you are gonna have to pay like $30, which is a pretty hefty amount, honestly. You know, if you're trying to invest a little bit of money into these minor cryptos, you know, you're gonna have to pay $30, which, you know, kind of makes sense if you really think about it. You know, because there's a lot of people that are using Uniswap, you know, through Ethereum or Binance, so the gas fees are going to be very, very high, right? And the chance of most of these minor altcoins going up are very, very slim. So that's kind of like how the system is working right now and stuff. You know, it's kind of like hit or miss type stuff. You know, all of these, you know, very, very new cryptos are the ones, of course, you know, making the biggest gainers. This one was made, I'm pretty sure, like at 1:33 a.m. today. So yeah, guys, if you want to look into buying these minor cryptos, you know, maybe uh, potentially the cryptos that could do very, very well in this bull market are some, you know, knockoff Shiba Inu or knockoff Shiba Inu tokens, most likely. And yeah, stuff like that. So yeah, guys, that's basically my update for today. Very, very bullish on crypto, expecting most cryptos to peak March to June. Right now, we're going to be seeing a very, very steady increase, and then there's going to be uh, about a couple weeks to a month or so of Bitcoin increasing its price very, very fast. And yeah, guys, stuff like that. So get into crypto while you still can. It's still a very, very good buying opportunity right now. And as you can tell, Uniswap, again, it's up by 39.08%. Crazy. This is also another crypto that is very, very popular right now. Why? Well, you know, through this crypto, well, through Uniswap, you could basically buy, you know, you could basically own any single crypto there ever, you know, that ever came out, even if it came out today. You know, and be careful too. Most of a lot of these very very small altcoins, they are scams. Some of them are scams. Some of them are like rug pull, you know, type stuff. So yeah, guys, you know, This is my word of caution. You know, do that at your own risk. But right now, I'm most bullish on Doge and Shiba, and I feel like you know, they both have very, very high potential to go up, you know, very, very fast. So yeah, guys, that's my update for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out.